Immobiliser fit, and this is a brand new G63 protected with a Starline immobiliser. So how it works, if a thief got the key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to crank but not start. So what the customer can do, they can have their phone in their pocket with their Bluetooth on, simply get in the car, start it up and drive away. If their phone goes flat one day, they're unable to use their phone, what they can do, keep their foot off the brake, tap the ignition on, so we get all our lights, then do the code. For now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone and start. Vehicle fires into life. Take it for a service. Easiest way to do that is on the phone. Go into the Starline app, press and hold on the green circle. When it turns to yellow, we're going to let go. We're going to get 2 bleeps and the vehicle's in service mode, which means there's no code to start it. Mercedes can do what they need to do when it goes back. Road test it, take it from your house, service it, bring it back. When you get it home, get in the car, press and hold, back to green, let go, we get 2 bleeps. As long as this stays green, your vehicle's protected. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new G-Wagon with a Starline immobiliser.